Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This video is about communication using youth language and its influence in society. Before that introduce my name Ahmad Toimalkan, NIM 3421167. English for Communication KPI C. Communication using adolescent language and its influence in society. Language is the identity of a nation. Language is also one of the forms of communication used by humans, but over time the use of code language and really fades along with the influence of other language, so that there is mixing between one language and other. If the language I use be people who understand the meaning of the language, then communication can work. But if it is used by people who do not understand the language, there will be a failure to communicate. Therefore, let us consider slang and its influence in society. Theoretical foundation. 1. Communication. Communication is the process of conveying meaning from one entity or group to another. Talk, the use of signs and symbols and semiotic rules that are understood together. 2. Language definition is a means of the communication that acts as an intermediary. The continuous use of certain language can also change a person's behavior. 3. Character language. Abdul Chair 2003-31 states that language is a system in the form of sound, arbitrary, productive, dynamic, diverse, and human. 4. 10 language definition. Youth language is also called program language. Program language itself is a language that is often used by teenagers or certain communities as a means of communication between. The method used in this study is a qualitative description. According to Sudaryanto 19, I to 62. Descriptive is a method that is essentially based on existing facts or phenomena that are empirically in their baseline. Manuel Moleon 2005-6 reveals the definition of qualitative research is an approach related to that is not in the form of numbers but in the form of the quality of variable form in the form of speech as data generated in the form of written or spoken words about individual traits, conditions, symptoms of a particular group that is observed. Data collection techniques in this study, namely library and documentation methods, are used. The following is a table about words in Indonesian and their change in slang. Please read below. Result and discussion. I've looked at the theoretical basis and the discussion as well as the table above. It can be said the adolescent language directly or indirectly change Indonesian creation to not communicate using Indonesian properly and correctly. This is because language is the identity of country, and from the explanation above it can be said the communication using the language of teenagers can provide innumerable benefit as we communicate with people who use the language of teenagers. They certainly do not understand what we are doing, so that the communication we do will fail, and of course we will understand it too. Getting a negative response from these people would either be considered rude or lack basic etiquette. Therefore, we as teenagers must communicate using good and correct language. This aim to avoid unwanted things. I took the reference from Anwar Haidir 1990. Fungsi dan peranan bahasa sebagai pengantar. Yogyakarta, Gajah Mada, University Press. Harimansyah, Ganjar, 2050. Pilihan bahasa remaja dalam perspektif umur dan lintas generasi. https Badan Bahasa Kemendikbud go.id, laman bahasa, artikel 1251, diunduh 20 Oktober 2015. Keraf Gors 1997. Komposisi Jakarta, PT Gramedia Pustaka Utama. Moleong Leksi G 2005. Metodologi Penelitian Kualitatif Bandung, PT Remaja Roda Karya Offset. Environmental Communication Theories in Lead John S.W. and Foskey A. H. Encyclopedia of Communication Theory, pp. T44 to T349. Covello Vincent T. and Sandman Peter M. 2001. Risk Communication Evolution and Revolution. Cox Robert 2010. Environmental Communication and the Public Sphere. 2 seconds at 1000 watt.